Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 woodworking tools you can get for under $50. These budget-friendly picks are great for beginners or anyone looking to add some handy tools to their workshop without spending a fortune. Let's jump in. Pyramid Stands. Pyramid Stands 56-pack mini non-stick painter's cones, priced at $12.99, are designed to elevate projects with minimal surface contact, helping to prevent smudging or sticking during painting, staining, or gluing. Made from durable, solvent-resistant PE plastic, they feature a lock and tab system for secure stacking or attachment to surfaces, and each cone can support up to 250 pounds. 12-inch Woodworking Square Ruler. The 12-inch Woodworking Square Ruler, priced at $18.99, is a precision tool designed for accurate measuring, marking, and angle layout. The ruler includes holes to quickly mark 10 common angles ranging from 10 degree to 90 degree and comes with a scribing needle for precise marking. NYXCL Miroku. The NYXCL Miroku 2-inch quick change sanding discs, priced at $18.78, are designed for fast, efficient surface preparation and finishing. Made with premium aluminum oxide abrasive grains and an active grinding aid, these discs resist loading and reduce heat buildup during use. 5-inch automatic center punch. The 5-inch automatic center punch, priced at $10.97, is a versatile tool designed for marking precise drilling locations on a variety of materials including wood, plastic, metal, glass, and leather. It features a spring-loaded mechanism with an adjustable stroke and cap for customized use. ENERTWIST Oscillating Tool. The ENERTWIST Oscillating Tool, priced at $55.99, features a powerful 4.2 amp corded electric motor made of pure copper, delivering strong and reliable performance for a wide range of tasks such as cutting metal, tile, wood, drywall, plumbing pipes, and more. Designed with a 5-degree oscillation angle, it provides faster cutting and smoother operation, 30–40% more efficient than similar tools in its class. Tungsten Carbide Burr Set. The PLM Tungsten Carbide Burr Set can last up to 8 times longer than HSS tools, like the burrs that just won't quit. With a double-cut design, it tackles steel, wood, jade, even bone. Great for milling, deburring, and more. It's a must-have whether you're a pro or just pretending to be one. Metal Hinge Jig. The Going Make Metal Concealed Hinge Jig, priced at $46.99, is built from tough aluminum because plastic just doesn't cut it. It features a handy dust bracket that hooks to a 1/3/8 vacuum hose, keeping things clean. No measuring fuss either. Adjust hinge depth in a snap. It's precise, durable, and makes you look like you know exactly what you're doing. REXBETI Folding Saw. The REXBETI Folding Saw, priced at $16.99, features a durable SK5 steel blade designed for efficient cutting in a variety of tasks including camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work. Its heavy-duty 8-inch blade is ideal for cutting branches between 4 to 5 inches in diameter, providing fast and effective performance. The aggressive staggered teeth, with 7 teeth per inch, ensure smooth, sharp, and clean cuts. Quickcut Circular Saw Guide. The Quickcut Circular Saw Guide by Burr, priced at $34.99, is a versatile tool designed to replace multiple cutting guides and simplify your workflow. It allows precise cutting at 4 preset angles: 22.5, 45, 60, and 90, making it ideal for working with wood and soft metals without the need for a miter saw or complex jigs. Rafter Square and Combination Square Set. The Rafter Square and Combination Square Set, priced at $8.95, features a 12-inch heavy-duty stainless steel blade that is durable, rust-proof, and marked with precise inch and centimeter graduations in 1/16, 1/8, and 1/32-inch increments. This combination square is a reliable tool for woodworking, metalworking, and general layout tasks. 8-in-1 Carpenter Square and Center Finder. The 8-in-1 Carpenter Square and Center Finder, just $18.96, packs a toolbox into your pocket. At 3.5 by 5.5 inches, it's perfect for pros and DIYers alike. With rulers, protractors, marking gauges, a drill gauge, wrench, and center finders. It measures, marks, and finds centers like it's showing off, because it kind of is. 9-inch 612 TPI reciprocating saw blades. The 9-inch 612 TPI reciprocating saw blades by Telisa, priced at $39.97, are engineered for high-performance cutting, especially in nail-embedded wood. Perfect for demolition work, these bimetal blades eliminate the need to frequently switch between different types when cutting materials like old fences or lumber with nails. EZ Lock Knife Threaded Insert. The EZ Lock Knife Threaded Insert, priced at $9.89, is designed for use in hardwoods like oak, cherry, and maple, offering a reliable solution where thread stripping or erosion may occur. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, displays, and other wood projects. Woodworking Ruler. The Woodworking Ruler set, priced at $21.69, is a professional 3-piece measuring toolkit that includes 6-inch, 8-inch, and 12-inch pocket slide scribe rulers, each equipped with a 45-degree and 30-degree angled slide stop for added versatility. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy with a bright orange CNC anodized finish, these rulers are resistant to rust, corrosion, and color fading. The laser engraved scale offers high precision and easy readability. Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. The Going Make Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, priced at $28.99, is like having a third hand that never complains. With a 0 to 2.5-inch adjustable range, it helps align doors quickly and precisely. Made from solid aluminum alloy with CNC precision, it keeps everything square, level, and headache-free, because crooked cabinet doors are nobody's aesthetic. PREXISO Digital Level and Digital Protractor. The PREXISO Digital Level and Protractor, priced at $29.99, provides accurate angle and level measurements using both absolute and relative modes. Its magnetic V-groove base allows hands-free use on metal surfaces, making it ideal for construction and metalwork. The backlit display automatically inverts when flipped, and the audio indicator helps identify 0° and 90° angles without looking. 5-piece Marking Black Precision Layout Solution. The 5-piece Marking Black Precision Layout Solution by Dasqua offers high accuracy and repeatability thanks to CNC machining and a precision ground measuring face. It features a laser-engraved scale with clear black markings against a sandblasted finish for excellent readability. The black anodized coating provides rust resistance and durability, suitable for various applications including welding, auto repair, metalworking, and woodworking. This set is built for precision and long-lasting performance. Router Plane. The Tool Cool Router Plane is a durable and precise woodworking tool made from anodized 6261 aluminum alloy with a stainless steel blade shaft and brass nut. It features a unique blade lift mechanism with a built-in depth gauge and stop, allowing precise depth adjustments up to 1.2 inches. Self-Centering Dowel Jig Kit. The Self-Centering Dowel Jig Kit, priced at $23.99, is designed for creating precise edge, corner, and surface joints using 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm dowel pins. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it offers solid, stable, and wobble-free performance. Its mechanical self-centering design eliminates the need for measuring or adjustments, making it easy to use. Router Corner Radius Template. The Router Corner Radius Template, priced at $14.69, is a versatile tool for achieving clean, professional quality curves in woodworking projects such as furniture, cabinets, and DIY builds. Made from durable yet lightweight aluminum alloy, it resists wear for long-lasting use. Ideal for precise corner detailing, it's a reliable tool for any woodworking professional or enthusiast. That's our list of 20 woodworking tools under $50. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Share your favorite budget tool in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters.